Do you find yourself overwhelmed by proposal deadlines, tight donor requirements, and the constant need to deliver impactful, winning proposals? You're not alone. Hi, I have been working in international development since last 20 years, and I've had the privilege of working on numerous impactful projects, design, and implementation across the globe. I've faced the same challenges like you do, from securing funding to managing complex stakeholder relationships. That's why I created Winning Proposals with AI, a book that distills my years of experience into actionable insights. This practical guide is designed to help you master proposal development with the power of artificial intelligence, making your work more efficient and effective. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, this book offers valuable strategies and tools to elevate your proposals and achieve success. Proposal writing is critical, but it's also daunting. The competition is fierce, deadlines are tight, and donor expectations are rising. How do you keep up? This ebook isn't just another resource, it's a game changer. Inside, you'll discover tools, tips, and insights that are designed to transform your writing process. It includes strategies that will help you streamline your writing, unlock creativity, and overcome writer's block. With this ebook, you'll ensure your proposals align perfectly with donor priorities, making your submissions more compelling and effective. Whether you're a novice or an experienced writer, this guide is tailored to elevate your skills. Learn how to use AI to save time on research and drafting, generate innovative ideas tailored to donor priorities, create visually appealing proposals with professional layouts, and so much more. Take your proposal writing to the next level with our comprehensive guide. Grab your copy of Winning Proposals with AI today and discover the secrets to crafting compelling proposals that win clients. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting, this guide will empower you to deliver results that stand out. Learn how to leverage AI tools to enhance your proposals and make a lasting impression. Don't just write proposals, master them with AI by your side.